Namaste one and all. So today we will be studying a topic named electric flux. So it is denoted by a symbol phi. So electric flux is the amount of electric field captured by a surface. So if you look over here, there are electric field lines and there is a flat surface. So when you keep this surface across the electric field, so the electric field lines will be passing through this surface. So the amount of electric field captured by this surface is called as electric flux. So let us look over here. So there are many electric field lines. So these combines to form electric field. And there is a surface of area A. Then the flux is given by E dot product with A, where A is the area of the surface. Since it's a dot product, it can also be written as E dot A cos theta. So E is the electric field and A is the area of the surface, and theta is the angle formed between the normal to the surface and electric field E. So when I say normal to the surface, it is nothing but a perpendicular which is drawn to the surface. So that's called as normal. So this is the normal to the surface. So electric field lines are trying to enter into this surface. So when you look over here, only some amount of electric field lines are entering and the others are remaining outside. So only the electric field that is captured by the surface will form the electric flux. So look over here. So the angle between the normal and the electric field lines is 0. So this cos theta will become cos 0. So that will be equal to 1. So that will be E dot A. So if you look over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electric field lines are entering the surface. It is being captured by the surface, and the remaining electric field lines are not captured by the surface. So the electric field lines shown in the red mark represent electric flux. So if the surface is tilted by an angle theta, if you look over here, the surface is tilted by an angle theta, so it captures less amount of electric field lines. So that sense the electric flux is reduced over here. So now look over here. Earlier the angle between the normal and electric field line was 0. Now there is some amount of angle because the surface is being tilted. So only less number of electric fields are being captured by the surface and the electric flux is being reduced. So let us consider a problem to understand this concept. So the electric field is given by I plus 2j root 2j plus root 3k, and we need to find the electric flux that is passing through the surface area of 100 meters square lying in the xy plane. So first let us write the Cartesian coordinate. So this is your x-axis, y-axis, and this will be your z-axis. So x can be written as I cap, y will be replaced by j cap, and z by k cap. So they are saying that there is a surface in xy plane. So in the xy plane there is a surface. So now the area of that is given by 100 meters square. So the electric field line is passing through this. So the electric field is passing through this surface. So we need to calculate the electric flux. Electric flux is given by phi is equal to E dot A cos theta. So the angle between the normal drawn to the surface and electric field E is 0. Look over here. So this is your normal drawn to the surface. So since the angle between them is 0, so cos 0, that will be equal to 1. So that will be written as phi is equal to E dot A. So from the given question, E is nothing but I plus root 2j plus root 3k, and the value of area is 100 meters square. So this 100 meters square is in which direction? Just look at the direction of the normal. So the direction of the normal is in k direction. So we can write this as 100k. So the direction of normal to the surface is in k direction. So we can write this as 100. The magnitude is 100 and its direction is in k. So 100 k. Now let us dot product these two. I dot k is 0, you know that. So j dot k is also 0 because cos 90 will be equal to 0. So k dot k would be equal to 1 because cos 0 is equal to 1. So this becomes root 3 dot 100 k dot k. K dot k is 1 because cos 0 is 1. So that's equal to root 3 is nothing but 1.73 into 100. So the value is 173 volt meter. So this is how we'll be calculating the electric flux using the formula phi is equal to E dot A cos theta. I hope you have understood this concept. So electric flux is nothing but the electric field captured by the surface. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have understood the concept. So to know whether you have understood the concepts better, you need to answer the quiz. The link for the quiz is given in the description below. After answering the quiz, you will be getting the result. So retake the quiz until you find that you have answered all the answers correctly and got the complete out of out results.